So much fun. I'm Brandy Williams. I am filling in for Ashley Jacobs today, and before she took off, she made a stop in Oceanside to visit a trusted local mechanic. So from simple oil changes to managing entire fleets, she shows us why West Automotive is one of the most reliable shops in town.
Brian, it is so great to see you as usual, and today we are in your Oceanside location, which is the newest to the West Automotive Group.
Absolutely. So this opened in May of 23. So as far as this location goes, they're all my favorites, so I shouldn't say this, but the parking lot here is one of my favorite things at this place, because when we opened it, I was like, you can stand out here and you can actually see the ocean from here. This is super cool.
It's amazing. You can get a nice walk-in too. Maybe while your car is being serviced, you can walk up and down. There's so many cool restaurants on Coast Highway, great shopping. What made you choose this location?
So we strategically kind of picked areas. We've been inland, obviously, in Escondido, which we've already been to, and you saw for quite a few years. And Oceanside just was kind of natural. It's like, hey, coastal, pick up folks over here so they don't have to come. We used to have a lot of people that came from Carlsbad and Oceanside to come to the Escondido store. So that's why we decided to open one here. Makes it easy for Carlsbad folks, Oceanside folks, and wow, what a great location. And it was just a great store previous to that, so that's why I wanted to add it in.
And as a veteran, you must love being so close to Camp Pendleton, knowing that you can help service these service members' cars. How great for you to be by your extended brothers.
Absolutely, and we get a ton of clients that come out of Camp Pendleton, obviously. And actually, we work on quite a few contractors' trucks that off of Camp Pendleton. We have passes, we go and pick vehicles up there, bring them back, service them and stuff. So, but being close to the military, absolutely. Truly love it.
I know, and you know, those Marines, they are fit, so they could even walk back to their house if they live on base if they want, but you do take care of your customers. There's a lot of courtesy options when it comes to vehicles being serviced. How are you making sure your clients are comfortable every step of the way?
Well, and like one thing, like you said, this location is great because you could walk over to a little boutique coffee shop, there's restaurants, great things all around during the day, but we also have a shuttle service that we take folks home. So wherever you're at, you know, whether it's heading off to work when you drop off your car, or you got to get back home with the kids, or whatever it is, we drop people off, and then when we're done, we come pick you up, which makes it much easier.
I've loved going to each location because your staff is so talented and smart at each location, and they're all different. I mean, every location truly has its own personality. Tell me a little bit about the Oceanside family.
So this family here, actually one of the gentlemen that works with us here, one of the service consultants, Dalton, his dad actually owned this store previously, his family, his dad and mother, before we purchased it. So he stayed on with the team, and then we kind of built a team around it. I will tell you something, the teams that we have at each location as far as customer service and the quality of technician is just amazing. I shouldn't say amazed, but we've worked really hard to put really great teams together. And these guys work like a well-oiled machine here as far as that goes in all locations, but they're kind of like family, and they get it done, and they do a great job, and they really care about the folks whose cars are servicing.
Over the years, you and I have talked a lot about the certifications that you've had and that your staff has. What are some of the things that stand out about the certifications when it comes to people working on the cars?
So we love our techs to be Master ASE certified. And a lot of folks in the public may not know what that means, but that's just a commitment to being, those are the highest level techs, and those are the techs that we hire for our organization. It's very important because it's important to me, not only that you're a great tech and do a great job, but you have a commitment to the industry and you really want to be part of a great company.
And we say this every time, if you hear your vehicle making a weird noise or something doesn't feel right, that problem's never going to fix itself. So it's really important to drive in as soon as something seems a little off, right?
You're right. The old adage, turning up the radio, that's a terrible idea because it only gets worse, and usually with worse means more expensive, unfortunately.
When it comes to the types of vehicles you guys work on, is it all makes and models here?
We pretty much cover all makes and models of vehicles at all locations. And service-wise, everything from a simple oil change to major transmission replacement, engine internal repairs, whatever it may be, as far as service and repair on your vehicle, we're here to make sure it gets handled.
All right, well, if somebody wants to get in touch with you, what is the easiest way to do that?
You can just go to our website, westautomotivegroup.com. That's where most folks make appointments and all that. You can see all locations. Wherever you're at in San Diego County, we're here to help with your car.
Awesome, thanks, Brian.
Thanks for having me.